Don't know what to post? Let me give you your goldmine 15-minute workflow so that you never run out of ideas ever again. I'm gonna make you dig for the content that I know you have in you. 6 steps. 1, define your audience. Step 2, name 3 problems that your audience has. 3, for each of those problems, a need. 4, for each of those needs, you're gonna list 3 pieces of information that would address those needs. 5, you're gonna take those 9 topics and to assign it a content format. 6, break it up even more. Let's see how this works in practice. I am a social media manager and content creator. My audiences are nonprofits and do-it-yourself independent creators. Problems? No money, little time, and no way to practice. So what do they need? They need low-cost solutions. They need resources to free templates and ongoing support. For every piece of information, here is a solution for a post. The real magic happens is breaking each of these posts into even more posts. If we have a bullet list of 5 points, we can break that into 5 single posts, and then you have a series. You can repeat it, but your information can change, and then steps 5 and 6 will filter down, and you're going to have never-ending content with this workflow. This workflow is totally free in my bio. Go get it. Follow for more.